Me not carrying pan show. And people for cancel me. And people not for support me. Even when I talk about you know, me not gonna tell people not support you. People them know say we encourage your behavior. And you always get a pass. People like Ginger. You never see Ginger on the internet or cuss anybody yet. And you managed to draw out Ginger. Why you and Ginger kick off? Because Ginger did the same thing that you did. You took someone's rhythm, you recorded on the rhythm, you created a buzz, and Ginger as an artist, because so the whole of we as artists here, DJ is cock up in them here, boom rhythm, Shabba don't tell we. So any artist see a rhythm around the place, or a rhythm down the place, or a rhythm about the bus, them want to jump on it, just like how everybody did want to go on Russian Niger boy bus man. Everybody did want to go on it, an artist. That's the reason why Shocking Vibes will lick back Cardi rhythm when Stone Love drop it. The reason why we poured the bill back Dave Kelly rhythm them.